Hello friends, thanks everyone for the likes, shares and subscribing my channel. Please, those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do share and like and subscribe my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a fish gravy in a banana leaf. It's very interesting. Let us see what all ingredients we need for that. For this dish, I have taken fish pieces. Then we need onion. I have taken 2 to 3 onions. Then 6 tomatoes, ginger, garlic, then lemon and coriander for garnishing, salt, turmeric, red chili powder, and the main thing is the banana leaf. So let us see how to make this dish. First we need to marinate the fish. So first add chili powder, then little turmeric powder, and then goes the salt, for the marination, and then I'm going to squeeze the lemon into it nicely. Now mix everything nicely and then I'm going to apply this mixture for all the fish pieces. I added little water in this to mix it well because the salt should little bit dissolve. Now I'm going to take each piece and apply like this and keep it like this. In this way I'll be applying all the fish pieces with this chili powder mix. Marinate it nicely and keep it aside. Now my marination is done. I have blanched these tomatoes in hot boiling water and then I have removed the skin out of them, and I'm going to make a puree with them, and then I'm going to chop the onions as well as I'm going to make a paste out of these ginger and garlic. Now once the pan is heated, I'm going to add little oil. I'm going to pressure cook the gravy, so I have added the oil, and once the oil is heated I'm going to add 2 cloves for masala flavor and little cinnamon, and then I'm going to add the onion and ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add little salt while sauteing the onion. After sauteing the onion, I have added the tomato puree. Mix it well, and now I am going to add turmeric, then red chili powder, and mix it well. After mixing, I am going to add little water and pressure cook the gravy for 1 or 2 whistles. Now in this kadai I am going to pour little olive oil and then apply it fully. Add olive oil to the kadai, and now I'm going to keep this banana leaf like this in this, and then I'll put little gravy in this, and then fish pieces, again little gravy on them, then goes the fish pieces like this. Just cover the fish pieces with the gravy, and now I'm going to keep this on the stove in a low flame. So I have switched on the stove, and slowly the leaf will become soft, and then I'll slowly close it and put the lid on the leaf. Turns in dark brown color, that means the gravy is steamed well, and the fish inside the gravy must be boiled nicely. So still some greenery is there in this leaf, so I'll wait for some more time so that it will turn into a little brownish color. Now the greenishness has gone and a little brownishness has come, so I'm going to switch off the stove at this time. Now my fish gravy is ready. Let us see how it came off. Yes, I'm going to open it. Ready, steady, go. And I'm going to garnish with little coriander. My steamed fish gravy is ready now. Now I'm going to taste it. So my steamed fish gravy is ready. Let me taste it. Unbelievable. It's so tasty. You people should try it once at home. And please share your comments, and then please share my video, like and subscribe my channel if you like it. And today I'm going to tell you one tip of the day. Guess what is it? That is nothing but, what is the main ingredient in the kitchen we need? It is nothing but the patience. We need lot of patience while cooking. Don't be in a hurry. Don't burn your hands with the oil or the fire. Be careful while cooking. So stay happy and be healthy. Take care. Bye bye.